I actually initially thought, of course, I love this piece. It should be taught in Music 30. But the more I've thought about and learned about the period itself and Rimsky-Korsakov's biography and The Mighty Handful, the more I've become convinced that although Scheherazade is absolutely an interesting example of Orientalism in Russian Romanticism, there obviously is very limited space in this class. And if we were going to add a piece from this era to the syllabus to discuss in detail, I actually think that a better choice would be one of Tchaikovsky's ballets. Although I love Rimsky-Korsakov and I love this piece, I think Tchaikovsky is one of the only composers I can think of that really has a strong grasp on modern day culture and a strong influence on how we perceive classical music today. There also are scenes in the Nutcracker which depict the same kind of Orientalist themes and the same kinds of the ideas of folk tales and orchestral music where individual themes and instruments are reflecting images. All of those things are reflected in what we also see in Scheherazade. So, although in an ideal world we'd be able to cover every important piece from every era, I actually think that if we were to consider what is the most important piece from this era, what piece symbolizes the characteristics of this era, what can we really analyze that says the most about how we perceive this era today, and what is culturally relevant, I don't think this piece would be it. I do love this piece, though, and I'm glad I got to explore it. Thank you for listening.